Yo, I think I just ran into a car meet. Everybody dipping. No racing today, bro. My shit needs maintenance. These guys got it, you know what I'm saying? These guys got it. They ready to go. They ready to race. Oh yeah, that shit's so nice. Oh god, I'm some random, bro. Oh god, I'm some random. Oh god, I'm some random, bro. Oh, they racing up here? They racing? They racing? I'm trying to see the race. Oh, shot. Ooh, shot chill for the race. Oh, they racing. I'm going at the end. Feds, we ain't doing shit. Y'all ain't doing shit, feds. Bro, I might put love, bro, on that. I might do it 360. Nice. That's what I'm doing. I'm turning around. The feds I pulled up, but like I was on the road, they was pulling out, and then they pulled up to this little spot. So I was passing all those. They just pulled up though. Hello?
I said just be safe then.
Bye, baby. But we ran into random cars in the meet. A little Subi right there. Little Evo in front of me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's lit tonight. I'm not gonna lie. I need my shit returned. Y'all, bro. I can't do no racing cause look, I got all this shit on the dash, man. What's up, YouTube? We're under the car, bro. You see the stainless works long tube headers, bro? Look at this. Oh, that shit looks broken, bro. Because where you see that? What happened right here? Is there a leak going on? Is this where the leak is at? Cause I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I check over here, none of them are like that either.